Today I'm getting up motivated because this is another day to show up for myself and my goals. I thank God for giving it to me plainly. Consistency will be the change. Simply choosing to show up matters. And sometimes showing up is the only message our goals need to hear. I'm here because I want to see change. I'm here because I care about who I am becoming. And I'm here not for just the beginning, but for the end results. Even on the days I don't feel like it, then I have to make a move toward my goals. So today I declare it. I'm here for consistency. I'm choosing to be intentional to plan, to embrace the change, and to take the right steps forward. I'm definitely committed to the journey, no matter how long the road is. If you started something in 2026 that you are determined to accomplish, comment started for more encouraging.